With Mendeley, we can create custom collections, which allow us to filter our view of our library. Simply click and type to add a new collection. Drag and drop an entry to assign it to a collection. As a collection is a sort of filter, the entry isn't actually moved, and so it's still visible under all references. We can also use the Action panel to assign entries to a collection. We can assign the same entry to multiple collections. Yet let's use the research webpage entry as an example. We can assign it to 2 collections so it's visible in each, and it will also be visible under all references. Use the Action panel to remove an entry from a collection, but again it will still be visible under all references. We can also remove an entire collection. Again, it does not delete the entries in that collection, so they will still be visible under all references.